Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy DJ 90 aka Mr Keys aka DJ 90 Keys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah guys, so today we are doing the second episode of the beat breakdown series, a series where guys I'm showing you how I made a certain beat. So we break it down into showing you what have I used, what is it that I've done on the beat. So without any waste of time guys, let's get straight into the video. So guys, we are covering this beat here today. It's one of the best beat I've made. So let's just start with drums. Let's cover drums first, right? So first thing first, I have this sound right here. It's a kick, right? It sounds like this. Yeah, that's how it sounds like. Then after a kick, I have this snare sound. It sounds like this. Yeah, that's how my snare sound like. Then from snare, I have this rim shot right here, right? So it sounds like this. Yeah, so that's how the rim shot sound like. And from the rim shot, I have another snare also, right? It sound like this. Yeah, so that's this snare. Then from there I have this sound right here. I don't know what sound this is, but it sounds like this. It's a peg. Yeah, so that's a peg. Then from there I have this bongo drum right here. It sounds like this. Yeah, just like that. I didn't do much, I didn't complicate things, right? Then from there I have another bongo drum. It sounds like this. Yeah, that's how it sounds like. So this is how my drums sound like so far. It's a vibe already. Yeah, so speaking of drums, I also have this shaker loop right here. I love using this shaker loop because it sounds so good guys. So this is how it sounds like. Yeah, so that's it for the drums. Then on the instruments I have this piano right here. Let me see where I found it. Okay guys, you come here to your things right here, then you locate pegs. When you click pegs, after clicking pegs you go to keyboards, right? After keyboard, this is the sound, Rhodes piano. Then from there you load it and you select your sound. So this is how it sounds like after you load it and you play whatever you want to play. So this is how it sounds like. So what I did here I played all the chords they are on time. Then here I strummed it so that it gives a different vibe altogether. And of course you can see my velocity is kind of different right here, so it does not have the same velocity. That's why it sounds the way it sounds. It's not like the sound is not consistent. It's changing, it's different. You can hear it, you see. and that's the beauty of it, because it gives it that vibe, right? So the second sound, we have this sound here. I think is this also the same, it's from Rode also, the same plugin. So it sounds like this. Yeah, that's how it sounds like. Then I have another one also which is different than this one. It goes like this. It's the same sound, it just different some notes there and there. This is how it sound like. Yeah, so this sound, it goes together with this piano right here. So let me play them together. Okay guys, so they sound like this. Yeah, that's how they sound like, right? Then from there I have my strings right here. I don't know which string this I used, because this beat was made like, I think it was made 2021, right? So I don't know the sounds, because now I've changed a lot. I'm no longer using the sound I used to use. So let me see which string this is. It's from Purity, the same string that I always use. Oh my bad. Okay, it sounds like this. Yeah, so I just copied the chords from the piano, the main melody, and I brought it here. Just copy and paste. And from there I have this sound right here. It's an organ sound. I don't know where I found it. Let me check for you. It's an organ sound. It's a sound from Purity. So you just go to organs and it's accordion one. That's the sound, right? So it sounds like this. Yeah, I did EQ'd it, and I put a lot of reverb and this delay. You can hear it. Yeah, that's how it sounds like. Then from there I have my bass guitar right here. So I have a bass which is played different notes. It's not really the same, but it's kind of the same but different. Like you'll hear the difference. So this is how the bass sound like. Yeah. So the other bass, which is kinda a little bit different but still the same sound, so it plays like this. You know, just like that. You know, that vibe. Yeah, so that's it about the bass. So let me show you where I got it. Yeah, it's Purity. Yeah, it's from Purity, just bass guitar. Then it's E808. I love using this one because it's good, right? Of course I mixed it nicely and all that. Then I also have that was Purity. Okay guys, now I have the next sound, which is it's a guitar. It's a sound which is holding the whole beat, right? This beat is made because of this guitar. This guitar sounds so good. I'm in love with it. So let me show you where I got this sound, right? It's a sound from Purity. It's nylon guitar, AC nylon guitar to guitars and pluggers. Yeah, so that's the sound. So this is how this sound sounds like, guys. This is the sound that's holding the beat. It sounds like this. yeah guys, that's how this sounds. Like it goes crazy. Like when you're gonna hear it on the beat guys, it goes crazy. This sound is amazing. Okay guys, yeah, that's all about the beat. So let me play to you how this beat sound like with everything that I showed you, what I did and all that. So this is how the beat sound like. Yeah guys, so that's how I made this kind of beat. It's a beat I made in 2021. It's a nice vibe, it's a nice beat, you know. I was feeling the vibe and all that. I was like, okay, let me just come and show it to you how this beat I made it, how it was done, right? So yeah guys, so that completes our second episode of the beat breakdown series. So yeah guys, you can go ahead and support the channel. You can like, share, comment and subscribe. And guys, I'll see you into another video. I'm DJ 90 and I'm out. Peace.